The ZT-219 is a True-RMS auto-ranging digital multimeter with a 19,999 count resolution. The entire meter is black in color and the outer shock-resistant casing is red. The control panel features a classic multimeter layout. The large screen and digital display make it easy to read the measurements. Below the screen are 4 square buttons and 2 round buttons. Below the buttons is the control knob of the multimeter. Below the knob are 4 test lead jacks. After selecting the item to be measured, remember to check if the test leads are in the correct jacks. The back of the multimeter is designed with a break-resistant support stand above the support stand. Above the support stand, there is a screw hole for hanging. On both sides are test lead storage seats. Behind the support stand is the battery compartment cover. The top 4 buttons are as follows: range selection button, relative value measurement, maximum and minimum value measurement, frequency measurement. The yellow button is the function switch button. The gray button is the data hold function button. Press and hold to turn on the backlight display. Hold the yellow button and rotate the knob to turn on the multimeter, which can disable the auto shutdown function. NCV range non-contact voltage sensing function. With 1 test lead plugged in, it can be used as a voltage tester. Continuity range beeper sounds when resistance is below 50 ohms. Diode range, it can output a 3-volt DC voltage. DC outlet range measures 9.586 volts. Current rangings. When measuring current, please connect to the multimeter in series with the circuit to be tested. It measures about 180 milliamperes. Capacitance range measures 28.37 microfarads. Resistance range measures 1.0001 microsiemens. Temperature range when measuring, be sure to insert the test leads correctly into the test lead jacks. Read the instruction manual thoroughly to ensure safe operation.